Nakita mo na itong mga senyales na ito, hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon, but most likely, if you are seeing these signs early on in the relationship, most likely, it won't last. Huwag na nating patagalin pa. Number one, every argument, every misunderstanding, simple conflicts, feels like it could end in a breakup. Alam mo yun, konting hidwaan, konting hindi pagkakaunawaan, natatakot kang i-confront yung partner mo, natatakot kang magsabi sa kanya na meron kang hinanakit, kasi iniisip mo na baka kapag nagkaroon kayo ng talakayan, bardagulan, hidwaan, magdedesisyon na lang kayong mag-break up. Kaya hindi kayo assured sa relationship nyo, hindi kayo komportabling magkaroon ng misunderstanding. That is the first sign that most likely yung relationship nyo ay hindi magwo-work. Number two, you constantly feel like you are sacrificing your own emotions